Since the bell rang. They should phonetically spell names. I'm amazed how I was growing up how they get my last name wrong. That should be for 5. 36-31, then 6-19.
Come on, Jeff. Right there. Yes!
Nice shot.
Devontae Holiday.
That's right. Good job. Oh, Patrick. Oh, Jeff.
Wild miss. What's he calling?
Not need that.
Called us for an elbow?
Yep.
Really? What in the name of Midwest basketball is going on here? God, these turnovers are just too much.
Take him! Oh my God.
Oh, geez. 2 months?
All right, Brett. Go, Brett!
Kyle Sackerson. From Tony McCarthy.
Come on, guys. Come on.
38-35, them. 4:23 to go, third. Nice D.
Stay with him, Patrick.
Yeah.
Foul is called on the Cardinals. Listen.
Beat it. Beat him too. Get a push off.
That's Tommy's fourth corner. Just in the
Ball back out of possession for the Mavericks.
Do something if we want to. We got a lot more shots.
Okay. Tommy.
Make it another one.
Ball is out of bounds. Possession to the Cardinals.
We keep giving him chance after chance after chance.
Oh, Kyle. Get it back.
38-36, 3:14 to go.
Foul is called on the back.
That was Fritz's first. Oh, let's go tie it up and take the lead. Come on, guys. Oh, another turnover.
Kyle, come on.
Holiday.
42-36, 2 minutes to go. Oh. Both of them. Good job, Fritz. Good look, good look.
Oh, God.
Playing terrible the second and third quarter. They run a set play, which we defend well, but it's like the ball's got Vaseline on it.
Offensive foul called on the back.
Turnovers are killing us.
Push the ball.
44-38, 20 seconds to go. They're going to take the last shot.
Oh, my God.
0.2 of a second, and they got the ball back.